Hi, I'm Susan, and this is what I'm making today. For this recipe, you're going to need 4 cups of all-purpose flour divided, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 pound of candy orange slices, an 8-ounce package of pitted dates, 2 cups of chopped pecans, 1 cup of shredded coconut. I'm using unsweetened, but you can use sweetened if you'd like. 2 sticks of butter, 2 cups of sugar, 4 large eggs. You'll need another teaspoon of baking soda and a half a cup of buttermilk. I have my oven preheating at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to grease this pan. It's a 2-pan with the spray with the flour in it. Now I'm going to sift 3.5 cups of my flour and my half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now I'm going to chop up my orange slices and my pitted dates, and my snap needs a little work, but it was fun trying. Now to my chopped candy and dates, I'm going to add that other half a cup of flour, and you want to toss everything. This will keep everything from sticking together. And now I'm just adding my coconut and my pecans, and I'm just giving everything a good toss. Now in my mixing bowl, I'm going to add my 2 sticks of butter and my 2 cups of sugar, and I'm going to cream that really well. Make sure to scrape down your bowl while you're mixing. Now you want to add your 4 eggs, and I just add them one at a time and let them incorporate really well. Now I'm adding my other teaspoon of baking soda into my buttermilk, and I'm going to alternately add my flour and my milk mixture, and you want to start and end with your flour mixture. Now you want to fold in your candy mixture and just mix it up as well as you can. This will take quite a while and a lot of muscle. Now just dip it into your prepared pan and smooth it out. Now you just want to bake it for about 1 3/4 hour to 2 hours, or until a texture comes out clean. And here it is. It's a beautiful cake. Now you want to make your glaze. You'll need 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, and a teaspoon of grated orange zest. And I just grated my orange zest, and I squeezed This is just out of a half of an orange, and I just took 2 tablespoons of the orange juice and mixed it in. And I did have to add a little bit more juice to get it to thin down a bit. But you just use your best judgment. You want it to where it'll drip over the cake, but not just pour off. And then you want to put this on your warm cake. And you just drizzle your glaze all the way over, and then you'll just let it cool afterwards. And here it is. It's a beautiful cake, and it's very flavorful, and it's a very dense cake. It reminds me of a fruit cake, but the only candied fruit you have are the orange slices. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I hope you have a Merry Christmas. And remember, the reason for the season is Jesus Christ. He loves you, and so do I. And I'll see you in the next new year. Until next time, bye y'all.